In today's video, I'm going to talk about some of the best business management tools. With the help of, you can manage your projects, your team members, your clients, you can send invoices, accept payments, or you can create this some schedulement calendar type like this where people can connect with you on their preferred time. You can accept the paid consultations as well. So hey guys, this is Basant here, and today's video you are going to look really good some business tools here. So the tool I'm going to get started with is this one, that is the blue. With this tool you can create these kind of the projects under the dashboard, and every project you can add team members, you can add the tasks, ideas, and you can even tag your work whether it's in the completed or the planning phase or still in working. You can also share the documents for your tasks, you can chat with your team members, you can share the files, forms, or you can also share this project with your client itself so they can track the process of their work here. Okay, and in the calendar you can check it out the different work status on which day which work has done here. So this is the blue right now available starting from just $59, and what I liked it here in the single tier plan here you can get up to 30 users access, means up to 30 clients or the team members you can share your project and the work here. Then next tool is the workflow automation tool. With the help of, you can connect up to 1,000 plus apps with each other to transfer and manage your data. It has also the pre-designed templates available for the apps automation. Suppose you want to send out your Facebook leads to the Telegram, this is the automation you can get use. Or you want the best AI automations, then this is the automation you can install. Or suppose you want to just cross post your different social media post with each other, this is the automation with a single click you can install and activate by connecting your profiles. So this is the Alberto pack again on the lifetime deal starting from the $69. Now let's go to the next tool, that is the build. You are going to track your expenses, send out the invoices, and the accept payments. So managing all this stuff in your mind or in your notebook is really hard. What if there's the billing account that is going to manage all those stuff? Just add your clients, create payment invoices, and send the link them, and after that they are going to pay you, and all the stuff related to your payments and the invoices is going to be in this single dashboard. So this is the billing software I'm talking about. Let's go to the next tool, that is the Sino Send. In your business it might be chances that you require to send and transfer or receiving the larger files around like the 1 GB or 2 GB. With this tool you can easily transfer, secure, and receive the files for your clients, or even send out to your clients for the video agency. This is the best tool I have seen on the AppSumo right now. If I go to the plans and features, you can see you can send and receive up to 10 GB file. This is the really huge and large file size. Okay, then you can transfer the 30 files per month, 25 GB lifetime access storage you are going to get. And if you want higher storage limit or the sending or receiving file limit, you can go to the higher plans here. Next tool we have the scheduling software here. With the help of, you can share the calendar with your customers, and after that for their preferred time zone they can book a meeting with you. Plus you can also share the services with the paid consultancy or the meetings here. And the best part about the draft, you can use this software as a free, but to avail all the premium features you have to go with their lifetime plan or their premium pricing here. The other best thing, it is going to support all the best things here, like you can organize your meetings, you can share the meetings links within your barcodes, QR codes, and with the links you can also share the link within your Google page here. All this stuff. Plus there's also the free WordPress plugin available for this tool to embed or add this booking page on within your WordPress site. So this is the draft and really good tool. If you are going to visit this tool right now, it is available with the Black Friday deal, so you will get the 10% extra discount. So these are the some few tools I have told you about to manage your business with the ease. And the last tool that I'm going to talk about here is the graphic designing tool. Although this is not that much of the business management tool, but it might be chances you need a lot of graphic designs or the banners or the photos for your website for your clients, then I think you need a Canva alternative. Pretty right? So this is the Vista Create right now available on the AppSumo. Okay, and with this tool you can create a different kind of the graphics, whether it's for your Instagram, it's for your website, it's for your banners, everything you will find a creative here. So these are the 5 or 6 tools I have listed out in this video here, but AppSumo also have the 100 plus other softwares for your managing business, and they have some of the really good tools for the other aspects as well. Like you want to do the SMS marketing here, they have this tool available. You want to manage your SEO tasks, they have the Ranks Pro available. So you can also check it out, these tools. You can find the link in the description for this video. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.